Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease for advisors. Click fraud can be extremely inconvenient for business publishers and advertisers, especially when several businesses operate on an incredibly tight budget. For PPC ads, a fair bounce rate is around 40–50%. If you detect bounce rates lower than that is a positive thing. Click fraud immediately drives up your advertising costs if not fixed for a long time. Click fraud protection. ClickCease will monitor your PPC clicks with advanced machine learning algorithms. Separate real potential customers from fraudsters and bots that want to deplete your budget. Block click fraud from ruining your campaign. Your campaign intel operative, AdSpy. Still Googling your brand name, trying to figure out who is bidding on your keywords and how your competitors' ads rank against yours. Save your time with AdSpy. Get notified of new competitors and see your advertising ranks throughout the day. Get a ClickCease account for free today, and you'll start thinking about fake Google Ads clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.